Concentrating on the development of various villages situated in the interstate border area through the special package of Interstate Border Area Development Program (ISBADP) and SRWP scheme, Nongpoh MLA Meryl Bonds aim today inaugurated the development project and distributed the work order for the construction of various projects for the border village under Nongpoh constituency. This developmental project include the footpath at Khongwing Village, Community Hall at Ampriling Village and Weaving Centre at Amjong Village, which was sanctioned by ISBADP and SRWP schemes respectively.
Hadawa la pendung ke sorkar kala itu baki ni kicinok. Dewan dia jemut tu, la amde footpath, la amde gaskur, la amde jintar bar, la amde umpam di kana kana. Malani hikmat kabumut ba suki jai. Bat haga pace kabankom kabukan tup ya kicinok bacam pi hani bro, la jo iban ai. Nah, pada jingera.